So let's start recording our new coffee machine application. So here you can see that I have my GitHub here. So this is coffee machine Excel file. So I have the number of cups, a color, description, feature, machine ID, and machine type. So I will so let me show you that. I will save it. So let's go and save a copy. Oh, I have one. I have one here. Let me show you that. So I have downloaded from GitHub this machine order data. So I'm going to go and upload it in OneDrive. So I'm getting my file here. I'm going to do add new, and I'm going to do file upload, and I'm going to take my. I'm going to go here, and I'm going to take my machine order data here to open it. And that's it. Okay, so you just have to do that. Okay, so now let's start a new let's start now um, our application. Okay, so I'm gonna add I'm gonna create my app here. So it's gonna be a new app for let's say that I'm a seller to a company with selling coffee machine. So what I did here is I created a solution for that. Remember that this is very important to create a solution. So all your apps will be in this solution. So I have my solution, and now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a new application. So I can go here and create a new application, and it's going to be a Convince app application. So the name will be a machine ordering app. So it's going to be a so that people after can order a coffee machine. I'm going to put it in tablet format, not in phone format, okay, because people need more space. And if I go to see a customer, I want to show him all my coffee machine. So in a bigger format, I'm going to create here. And I'm going to do now is that I'm going to wait here. Okay, I'm going to wait 7 minutes. And here I'm done. Woohoo, that's super. So like I told you, my first lab is to create this ordering app. So what I want to do is that I'm going to rename on my left the the this screen. Okay, so I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go in my screen, first one, and I'm going to say that this one is my main screen. Okay, so this is the first screen that will be displayed. So I'm going to say main screen, and that's good. So you can also rename the screen by selecting the screen name in the right pane and select edit icon or double click with the edit icon here. Okay, so you can just double click here if you want. Okay, and and this is the first thing. So I'm going to add either containing the app name and the signing username. That's very nice. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go here on plus, and I'm going to insert the text label. Okay, so now there is a new button. Okay, but for my lab, I will use text label. So text label, this is a classic text label, and I'm going to insert and drop it on the main screen. So here's it. So I can go back in now tree view, and I can see that I have my label one, and this will be my label. So label either. So it's going to be LBL like label, and I'm going to rename to either. Okay, that's good. Okay, make sure to rename this label correctly so that all the instruction will be okay. It's important because I have some function and he will call this name LBL header. Okay, that's good. So now here I need to change the text. Okay, the best thing is to use what you want to change. So I want to change text here, and the new name, the name will be machine ordering. It will be a very exciting lab. Okay, so this is machine ordering. And now I'm going to change the X and Y value. So I'm going to first change the width. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to go change it here. Okay, so the width first. And here I'm going to say all the size here. So I know that all the size is 1366. Okay, so I'm going to put it like that. Okay, that's good. Okay, first and after I need to select the color from the property join list, and I'm going to set the color. So I need to select color now. See, it's very easy. So I'm going to change it to color, and I wanted the color to be color white. So I'm going to remove all this, and I'm going to type color, and here I'm going to say white. Okay, that's good. Now I will fill it to color black. So I'm going to go in fill now. Okay, be sure to select this, okay, this portion of the screen. And now I'm going to go in the fill, and I'm going to fill it with color black. Okay, otherwise I cannot see anything. So let's say color, and let's say black. Okay, and I can now change the size. So I'm going to go here, and I will change the size here, and the size will be 18. That's good. And I'm gonna now still click here. Okay, don't click here. Okay, click here. And now I need to change the height. So I'm gonna go here, and I will put 60. Okay, that's better. So it's bigger here. Okay, that's very nice. Okay, you can also change thing here in the properties. Okay. And now I'm gonna go on the properties pane. This is the properties. So if you get it out, okay, just click on properties. Okay, this is something that a lot of users ask me. So I'm gonna go here on properties, and I need to go in text alignment and to put it in the center. Okay, so that's very nice. So the header should be like this, machine ordering. Okay, you can also use the formula bar and the advanced tab to enter a specific value, or you can use PowerFX formula for any properties and control. Okay, so remember that here you have the advanced, you can do action, data. Okay, so all this here. Okay, so now I need to insert and add another text label to the main screen to use this label to display the signing username. Okay, so for that, what you're going to do is that um, you're going to go in insert here, and I want to insert a text label. Okay, while I am still here. Okay, so I'm going to go insert and type text label and text label. Okay, that's good. So this one will be, of course, label. So label. Okay, so label will be LBL, like label. Okay, use this naming convention, and I'm going to say user. Okay, that's good. So label, and after I will aligning on the right. Okay, so I'm going to go here, and here I'm going to do align right. Okay, that's good. And like this, it's aligned on the right here. So I'm going to change now the X value. Okay, so I'm going to say 160, and it's going to be the Y value 0. the width will be 200 and the color will be color gray. Okay, so let's first select it and change the X value. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to change the X value. The X value will be 160. Okay, that's good. So it's here. So that's good. And the Y value now, okay, will be 0. Okay, so I'm going to put it here and I'll put it 0 here. Okay, that's good. So label, okay, 0 here. And the width will be this time 200. 200, that's good. And the color will be color gray. Okay, like this, I can see it here. Okay, put it like this, gonna be better. Okay, that's good. And after the color will be color gray. So let's go and select color, and the color will be gray. Color gray. Okay, you can see it here now. So now the text value will be hello, and the user. I want to take the user full name. Okay, so I need to replace it with my name. Okay, the name was connected, so I'm going to go here and I'm going to go into text here, and in text I will add a formula here. The formula will be hello, the user, and full name. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to say hello, full name. And you can see that now that it's my name here. Okay, so I can see hello Fabrice Chanaski. That's my name. So all function in Power Apps are case sensitive. Okay, as you start typing user, a drop-down menu of available choice will appear. It's a good idea to pick from the autocomplete option. Okay, now I will still be here. Okay, let me select it, and now I'm going to select a media to put an image logo. Okay, so I'm going to go in Insert, and I'm going to go in Media here, and in Media I will select Image. Okay, so it's an image, remember? So the naming convention ask us to type image logo. Okay, so image logo, and I'm gonna set the image value. Okay, so here image, and the image value will be a link to GitHub. Okay, and GitHub you will have a link. Okay, like this, you can change the value, and that's it. So you can see that now I have a contoso here. Okay, this is my new value, and I'm going to say the x and y to 0. So I'm going to do x here to 0. Okay, so I'm going to put it all up, and after, so this be x, and the y will be also 0. Okay, I'll put it at 0. Okay, so it's all up here. So still with this selected, I will change the height to 60. Okay, put it 60 here. Okay, 60. And the width will be 200. Will be 200. Oh, that's super. So I'm going to save now the application, and I can do app checker if I want. So I can do the app checker to be sure that there is no any issue. Okay, so what I can do now is that you save initial version of the app. It's good practice to keep saving, update, and regular. Okay, so let's do a save here. But before, I can do a checker. Okay, app checker, and he will check recheck all. and I can see that I don't have any issue here. Okay, so now I can save it. So that's really fantastic. Okay, so now I'm gonna change some. I'm gonna go now in the in the icon background fill, and I'm gonna fill it like black. Okay, so first of all, I need to change some information about our checker. So I'm gonna close it, and I can go in setting here, and in setting, um, I can change the icon background fill. Okay, so I can say the icon background fill, and I can say to black. Okay, this is the icon here, and I can change the app name. So the app name is machine ordering app. Okay, and I think that's good. And I can do the icon. Yeah, that's good. And I can now say the display here, and you can say the display to view the available screen orientation and aspect ratio setting. For this app, you leave it at the default setting of landscape of 69. So I can close it now. And remember to save it again. Okay, so what we did actually, okay, is that we created our main screen. After that, we have our header here. Okay, remember that we changed a lot of things. You can display the properties if you want here. Remember, so I changed the color, machine ordering, and here I have my LB user. So this is the label, and here I have my logo, and here my user connected. So I can display user with connected. So that's super. So now what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to create a second recording video, and we're going to add a machine gallery and connect to the data source. It will be very exciting. Okay, so let's do that now.